Kudakoshi Tagore, the controversial businessman and founder of the Bridging Gaps Foundation, has once again made headlines, this time for an expansive donation campaign in Yanga North constituency. Sana bena mashoko ari kuda panguva ine ari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa Kudakoshi Tagore ava kumobiliza manje kuno chigireba chimuti pane picture rutanda pa social media rasera muri kuona mutungamiri wenyika akabata Tagore maoko aiwa akafuratira general nodobva subscribe like on the bell icon. Zima inotanga posta inyora chiti hanzi mupikicha unotaura churu chemazvi apa Mnangagwa opira gotsi kuna generali akagukuchira Tagore mufananidzo wekare. Pana panoenderambira vachiti Tagore is also the man behind Sakunda Energy. On Sunday, his foundation distributed grocery hampers to over 3,000 households, commissioned several bores, and handed over medical equipment to local clinics. Tagore has maintained that the initiative is purely philanthropic. This is a goodwill gesture, nothing more. He said during the handover ceremony, our role as citizens is to step in where we can to bridge the gap and help uplift communities. But not everyone is convinced. Political analysts argue the scale and visibility of the donations suggests a calculated political strategy rather than simple generosity. Critics warn such philanthropic acts often function as informal campaign tools, especially in rural constituencies where material needs are high and state support is limited. The line between charity and political mobilization, they argue, is increasingly blurred. While Tagore has dismissed the speculation that he's eyeing public office, his moves are fueling broader debates about wealthy influence and the future of leadership in Zimbabwe. Thomas Kwaruda panguva ine vachiona kuti aiwa kudoneta kuriya kuchita vana Tagore uko this picture amuri kuona ari kupostwa nakupunozim ai inyaso kushow a clear picture the sidelining ya general and the subsequent aiwa rise yakuda kwasha Tagore. Iboti mafunguro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pechiriko ichi. Pina comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.